All right, YouTube, here is Black Mamba, my 1996 VX 80 series. It's actually a 81 series because it's right-hand drive. And what I want to share with you guys today, in a lot of older Land Cruisers, unfortunately, something that happens is damage to the steering wheel. Here's my steering wheel. Here's my damage. It's only going to get worse. I've treated this over 2 years with the best products I could. It's obviously not going to get that back. So I decided to, instead of buying a whole new steering wheel, I'm going to wrap it. And I found these guys, stitch cover. So I got my stitch cover and I've already taken it out of the box. Comes like this. So obviously comes flat, right? I chose black leather with at the very top, we're going to have, okay, it goes this way. We're going to have this at noon at the very top of the steering wheel. And I've got black stitching. So I'm going to put this on, share my experience. I know this isn't done in 10 minutes. This is going to take some TLC and some time and some stitching. Because just like you see here, you don't remove your previous leather. This stays on, this goes on top. So let's check it out and see how the process and what the finished product looks like. All right, so I have straightened my steering wheel, and one thing to be aware of, F is front, B is back. Don't have this flipped around the other way. And the reason being is you notice the front, see how this flares out where this doesn't? This is gonna go on the front of your steering wheel. So whatever brand steering wheel, whatever model your Land Cruiser is or vehicle, because they make this for all vehicles, front and back. So let's get it on. So after I sized it, make sure I got the right steering wheel wrap, the next step is to take this tape. So this is the inside, and again, remember, which is your backside, back and front, which flares out, and they give you a roll of double-sided tape. Put the tape down, leave the protectant. See, right now my finger won't stick to that. Why? So I can put it around, and then I peel this side, and then I can officially attach it with the sticky. So it's going to hold in place. So that's where you want to make sure you have your piece here, whether you chose red or purple or pink, whatever your style. Me, I just went the same color as the truck. So black and then gray for my little piece at 12 o'clock noon. So that's going to help me make sure I have it at the top. And then I'm going to apply and stick it down. And don't just take my word for it. There's instructions that explain all of this. And don't go right up to the edge. They say 5 millimeters, which is right about just beyond the stitch line, because you don't want to be putting, well, you're not going to stitch into this. You're going on the outside of the stitch. But anyhow, so that can tighten up, just make sure you don't put the sticky over the stitch line. 5 millimeters. So that's what it looks like. And then this will be my, they give you a tool to stuff it inside here, and then they give you your needle and your thread. All right, let me put this on now. Okay, so I have it on, and I peeled back all the the white backing. And just make sure when you fold it, you're coming right up to your stitch line, right? Because if I fold it now, it's gonna stick. And what I really wanna do is I'm gonna pull from both sides to make it as tight as possible when I wrap around. And then this is kind of like your placer tape. Again, you don't wanna go all the way to the edge. And again, make sure you turn around, you peel it around before, while you have the white on it, because I don't want it to stick. And then I've put it perfectly in place where I want to have it, and that's right at the my steering wheel's turned a bit, but that's right at noon to the Land Cruiser, between the C and the R for my steering wheel. So now I'm going to pull down each side. I'm going to place it so it's just right, and then we start the process of stitching. But this is kind of, placement is one of your most important things, because the once it's placed, you're just stitching, so it's permanent. All right, I need 2 hands. Let me do that now. Was looking good. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see how this turned out. I gotta tell you, I am impressed. Very impressed. Look at the stitch. Let's see, can we zoom in on that? No, there we go. So, have I sewn before? Absolutely not. Maybe in Boy Scouts where you had to. And it's really not hard. It's really not hard because they have on each side, you just basically, go through one side, inside the other, come around, and then do it again. So you're doing this through the loops. And as you do that, it creates that look. And just tie it tight. This is where I first started, and I had like some loose here, so I just kind of tightened that up. That's my only fault. I could have undone it, but I'm okay with that. I thought it would bag up, but this is smooth, and just let some heat hit it, and it's just going to be perfect. The alcantara is beautiful. Look how smooth that is. And then back up to the leather. Look, smooth as can be. This, and then you got this. I chose to go the same color as my dash gray. You can go red, you can go yellow if you're trying to be sporty. There's so many different things you can do. I just finished this side. This is where my leather is damaged. That's why you can actually see that. But I wonder what'll happen when, the heat heats this whole thing up. Look at that. And it's stuffed in. I'm impressed. And real leather. When I opened up the box, it's the first thing I did. I smelt it and I was like, yes, this is genuine leather. So check it out, man. There it is. Honestly, 2 thumbs up. You got to be patient. So I did this and this last night. And then I did this, which is the other half of the job today, this probably took me 45 minutes. This probably took me 35 to 40. And then this took me maybe an hour and 20 minutes. Listen to a podcast, call up a good friend that you haven't talked to in a while, and you're just doing this repetitive move. It actually is kind of relaxing in an odd way. I didn't mind it at all. The time flew by. I didn't feel like I was doing this for a long time. I was on the phone. I listened to a podcast, and I was like, oh shit, I'm done. So there it is. And you can pick tons of different leathers, like different colors. Alcantara, you can do the whole thing Alcantara. And if you do the whole thing Alcantara, look, it's just perfection. Because ultimately it's like a cloth in a way going over the steering wheel. But to me, I wanted leather. I wanted this. And it turned out awesome. So I will have a link with a discount, 5% off. So I'll have a link and a discount for you to use. Look at my description. Go check them out. And Land Cruiser, doesn't matter what year, 100 series, 200 series, 300 series, which would be an LX 600 or 700 here in the US. If the wife's got a Honda, a Mercedes, you name it, they make it for all cars. So I think once you get one, you'll get another. I'm already thinking what car I'll do this on next. Maybe on the 70 series. But there it is. And Alcantara, because look at my seats. Same thing, not leather. This is how they did it in Japan, or at least for this spec on the VX. So, thank you, Stitch Cover. That was pretty awesome. You guys make a great product. All right. I'm impressed, I must say. I honestly think I was going to stitch this much and be over it. But no, Again, I did this last night. I was at work today. I couldn't wait to get home to finish this up. I was like, I picked my podcast and talked to a friend. I was excited to finish it. And the look is awesome. What a nice upgrade. And where you buy those ones that you just pull over and put on your steering wheel? Oh, those are so nasty. It's just horrible. This is, you got to put a little bit of effort into it with this stitch. So a little bit of blood, sweat, and tears. But it's your vehicle. It's your love. So why not? And the result is something to be proud of. All right. Awesome. Thanks for tuning in. Go get yours and shoot in the comments, how you liked it, how it went. And let us know. All right. Happy trails. Catch ya on the next one.